Hello students, welcome to the class of accountancy. ISC class 12 chapter number 7 issue of debentures. So in the last class we have discussed about the features of debentures and the procedure of issuing debentures to the general public, and we did question number 2 in the last class, and I have given question number 1 as homework. I hope you have completed question number 1. Question number 2 was of debenture issued at premium. Now we are going to do question number 3, in which there is discount on issue of debentures. So we'll discuss how to pass journal entry related to discount on issue of debentures. So we shall start now. Question number 3. R Limited issued 8,000 debentures, and what is the rate of interest? Sir, 13%, isn't it? Every time just before debentures there will be a certain percentage, which is the rate of interest of issuing that debentures. So what is the face value? 100 rupees, which is issued at a discount of 5%. So on application 25 rupees, on allotment 25 rupees, and the balance 50. Is this clear? Here we'll treat discount. As I told you, when question is silent regarding where to take premium amount and where to give discount, then we take them on allotment. Okay, in the previous question it was specified at the time of application, so the securities premium reserve journal entry was passed at the time of application. Here nothing is mentioned, that's why we'll give discount at the time of allotment. Now the discount rate is 5%, so 5% of 100 is equals to rupees 5, isn't it? Now public applied for 6,000 debentures, less than what the company issued, and all money was duly received, and the expenses of issuing debentures amounted to rupees 20,000. We have to pass the journal entry and write off the discount. We, even if question doesn't specify to write off, we always used to write off the expense. Okay, now we'll move on to the solution. So here's the solution in the books of R Limited. So how many debentures were there? 6,000 debentures were there, and on application how much money was called? 25, isn't it? So 1,50,000. Now, so this entry is clear to you. Here rate of debenture is mentioned. So 13% debentures application account debit to 13% debentures account. This entry is also clear to you. As I told you, in place of share capital, debentures will come. So these entries are very simple. Now what is new in this is the journal entry of discount. See, 5 rupees is the discount and the amount on allotment is 25. So 25 minus 5 is equals to 20. So with 20 rupees we will call debentures allotment, isn't it? And 5 rupees is the discount given. It's a loss to the company because they are giving their debentures at less than the face value. Is this point clear to you? So that's why discount is to be debited. Securities premium reserve is again, that's why it is credited, isn't it? So this will be the journal entry. You can see 13% debentures allotment account debit, discount on issue of debentures account debit to 13% debentures account. Is this clear? 5 rupees is the discount. Now we'll receive this amount. Receiving this amount is easy. Bank account debit to 13% debentures allotment account. Then first and final call will be made and first and final call will be received. This calling money and receiving money you have already did in your previous chapter and in this chapter also. No change is there. The change is only in place of share capital debentures will come. I hope you got my point, isn't it? Those who had done the questions thoroughly, those who understood the previous chapter, then it won't be any big issue or problem for such students. Okay, students. Okay, now we'll take another concept, that is issue of debentures other than for consideration other than cash. That means when a debenture, one more entry is there, sorry, in this question one more entry is remaining, that was of debentures issue expense. So here it is. So issue expense, debentures issue expense is a expense for the company, that's why it is to be debited, isn't it? Expense are always debited to bank account. It is paid by the company, isn't it? So what is the narration? Being amount paid for issuing debentures. Then write off, they have said to write off the expense. So how to write off? Write off means to close or to transfer to statement of P&L account, which you know to do. Expenses are written off na in P&L account. For company, what is the word we are going to use? Statement of profit and loss account. Okay, this is nothing but your profit and loss account, which you have studied in class 11th. Now this is a statement of profit and loss account. As I told you, sole proprietorship, no special law was applicable. On partnership act 1932 is applicable. That law is not that much strict, but in case of company where the public interest is important, that's why companies have to follow the rules and regulations very strictly. That means their balance sheet will be of a specified format, and that format even we student have to follow strictly. Okay, so for writing off, the journal entry will be statement of profit and loss account to discount on issue of debentures account and to debentures issue expense. This is the loss. Do you remember at the time of allotment 5 rupees less we have issued na, at rupees 5 rupees less we have issued the debenture, so that discount is also loss for the company, hence it is to be written off. And this is an expense, debentures issue expense, this also has to be written off. So the journal entry for writing off is statement of profit and loss account debit to discount on issue of debentures and to debentures issue expense. Okay, my dear students, so this is the complete solution of question number 3. Now moving on to next concept, issue of debentures consideration in consideration other than cash. We are going to deal with question number 5. Okay, Golden Limited brought assets for rupees 5 lakh 5 crore 50 lakh, and liabilities is taken over for 1 crore 26 lakh. Okay, from Silver Limited, and issued 8% debentures of 500 each at a premium of 6%. So what is the amount of premium? 500 into 6 by 100, so at rupees 30 they have issued. So the value of share will be 530. Okay, so we will move on to the solution quickly. So here is the solution of question number 5. So assets and liabilities are taken over. So what will be the journal entry? Assets will be debited and liabilities will be credited, and the difference will be credited to Silver Limited. See, they are purchasing a running business. Golden Limited is purchasing running business. So assets is to be debited and liabilities is to be credited, and the remaining amount, that is 4 crore 24 lakh, that is to be paid to whom? Silver Limited, in the form of debentures. Is this clear? So assets were of 5 crore 50 lakh and liabilities were 1 crore 26 lakh. So by subtracting liabilities from assets, we get this remaining amount of 4 crore 24 lakh. This is to be paid in the form of debenture. So here it is, journal entry. Silver Limited is to be debited to 8% debentures account and to securities premium reserve. Now how this amount came? First we have to calculate the number of debentures to be issued, and how it is to be calculated. See, calculation. See how much amount was to be paid? 4 crore 24 lakh, and one debenture cost rupees 530, 500 of face value plus 30 rupees of securities premium. So total 530. So when we divide the total amount to be paid by face value, actual value of debentures, then we get the number of debentures which is to be issued. So 80,000 debentures is to be issued. So this will be 80,000 into 500, that is 4 crore, and securities premium amount 80,000 into 30, 24 lakh. Is this clear? So in this manner we have calculated the amount. So this is the solution. In issue of debentures chapter, board usually asks 4 to 8 mark question, and especially 4 marks they ask. In the recent trend, question usually come for 4 marks. There can be 2 questions, but the marks will be 4. But in issue of shares, 12 mark question comes. Okay, so the solution will be less here because the contents are less in this chapter as compared to chapter number 6. Okay students, stay at home, stay safe, have a good day.